What is video, man? Hello. This is my YouTube now. Garlic sauce and a square one. We're gonna have big fire.
Big fire. We're going to the beach and we're having a bonfire.
We're getting the pallets right now. Look outside. Oh, there's none in there yet. There's
Oh yeah. Get it.
Oh, there's wood. That's all the wood that we're getting.
We have a bonfire. We try to have a bonfire every time. We're robbing the dumpsters.
Yes, we're
We have 8 pizzas.
not enough. I'll eat probably 5.
I'll eat 5. Wait. I'll eat 3 then.
No noise because copyright.
No. Oh.
Big fire.
Big
I'm
fire.
This
Just
isn't
kidding.
even big yet.
This is small. Look at. I was joking around. All these little baby fires.
What's up, YouTube?
And then we're gonna have a huge one.
Baby fires?
Yeah, because then we have a ton of pallets.
What's up, guys? So, I'm gonna give you a tour. How do I flip the camera?
While it's videoing.
Okay, well, I'm gonna give you a tour on how many pallets there are. So, we have like 3 right there, and then we have however many that is. You can count if you want. And when you go around right here, I'm not sure if you can quite see that, but we have a couple more stacks right there, and then we have even more. You have like 5 more right there, and then we have like 5 more right here, and then we have this big one. That's probably gonna be used on this time. So, yeah, it's gonna be totally epic, guys.
Just for the vlog?
Yeah.
Yo.
Yo.
Yeah, it came out good enough. Not like that.
Mighty fine. Got those. Got my mind.
Wasting away again, margarita.
Gross, yeah. What's up, YouTube? Sophie gang. Subscribe. Look at fire.
We got the fire. We got people dancing. Oh yeah.
You should play Hello today. I'm good right now.
No, it's midnight.
Oh.
Sitting on that log, not moving. All right, someone go stand up top.
Here, give me a boost. Give me a boost. Do you have it through?
This is so ugly.
And then once it gets tighter,
Oh, that's how mine looked.
I'm lost.
Why is this hair like thinner than the left one?
See, I didn't even straighten this. This is just naturally straight. Naturally straight. Oh!
Look at mine. It's beautiful. I'm beautiful.
Okay, there we go. I can't like gain an appreciation. My wife was like, I want to go to Hawaii.
How long it takes. As long as I'm with you, I've got a smile on my face. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Smile.
Oh my gosh.
We're making empanadas tonight. There's sauce.
There's all the shells, cheese.
And the meat is in the other freezer.
Hello. I got this for Christmas. I can solve it now.
What's up, Yum? We are playing in the rain.
It's very cold. You can like see the shadow that it's raining, but I don't think you can actually see. It's so dark.
Yeah, you can't even see it. We out here on the last day of the vlog at 3 a.m. Sophie's leaving tomorrow. Like in a few hundred hours or something like that. Here's Sophie. She's dying. We're going crazy. Sophie, say what you want.
Good night.
Make sure to subscribe.
We're on a walk. The LA River. There's actually a lot of water compared to every time that we come. Kids!
Leapfrog! Whatever that word is.
Is it on there?
Picture vlog. Hello. Oh yeah, Chance. Bro.
Who's got it? Oh, another good catch.
Run! Run! No, the dramatic, we have to stop.
Bye.